Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a quick look at a couple of types of hose clamps. These are both made by Vigrue, and they were nice enough to send me each of these sets so I can make a video showing them to you. Now what's really nice about these sets and a lot of Vigrue stuff is stainless steel. So you don't have to worry about things rusting or corroding in any way, or just looking like trash down the line. I have had some, on this left side we have the worm gear screw or band style clamps, and I've had some of these that were really old and they were so bad you could just take a pair of pliers and rip this thing off because there was just nothing left of it anymore. And you know, old stuff, I live in the north, we have things that rust all the time, so stainless steel is really nice just for the durability and how long it'll last, but also to make things look nice and clean. So this style that we mentioned is extremely common. I'm sure everybody has used clamps like these in the past. So you just screw it in to tighten it. It kind of sucks in this end of it, comes out the other side, and it's just a little worm gear that tightens it up, right? And you can use a slotted screwdriver, which we have here, and you just tighten it up, right? Or these fit a 6mm to tighten or loosen. I'll show you all the sizes included in this set. So one thing I really like is having a nice variety. This will fit just about everything in an automotive sense outside of radiator hoses, but otherwise it's got your bases covered. Just for a quick demonstration, have a bit of heater hose here and a little fitting. Just slap this guy over the top. Throw the camera around. Get this guy lined up. Get our 6mm. And one thing you'll notice is I'm getting this pretty tight. And we don't have any stripping. When you get really cheap clamps, you can't get them tight. They're too loose fitting here and they'll just strip out. You try and tighten it and nothing's happening. This one, I have it way tighter than it needs to be. And it's perfect. That ain't ever coming off. So again, these are probably the most common, and they're really nice because you can easily take it off. You need to take this off, you just unscrew it, bam, you pull it, you're good to go. But another hose clamp option are ear clamps. Again, these are stainless steel. You're getting a pretty good variety of sizes. Both of these sets are in metric, but we're not going to hold that against them. I'm more of an SAE guy myself. But this is a 100-piece kit, and it even comes with the tool, which is great because a lot of people aren't going to have the tool for these. So the fact that the set comes with the tool you need is really amazing. So the way these work, grab one of the bigger ones so you can see it, is you're going to use that tool and you're going to, if I can get the camera to focus, you're going to pinch right here, and that pulls in the two sleeves, which tightens it down. So this is a one-use hose clamp, and then to get it off, you can get like a screwdriver or something up underneath this lip, and you just pry it back and you can take them off. But a cleaner installation and something that you don't expect to be taking off, these things hold really well. So let me show you one of these in action. So to show you guys how this one works, we're going to take off the screw style clamp we used earlier. And let's see, about that size. Yes. So we're going to slide this guy over now. And we just grab these guys. Hopefully you can see. Once we have those ears grabbed, we just pinch it, and that's going to squeeze the clamp. A little harder to do when you're trying to demonstrate. All right, best I can do. That was my knuckles. You can see how much it's pinched in on that hose there. That thing is on really good. So ear clamps can be pretty amazing to use, work really well, easy to use, and once they're on there, that thing's on there. Now if you ever had to take a clamp like this off, you're just going to get a screwdriver up underneath this lip and pry up. And you can see we have it disconnected and can pull it off. So you destroy the clamp to take it off, so it's one-time use, but holds fantastically for as long as you want it to, and it's pretty easy to get off as long as you have access to that little overhang of the second band. So there it is, guys, a quick look at a couple of Vigrue hose clamp options, both stainless steel. We get a variety of sizes. We got the worm gear screw band style clamp, and we got the ear clamps. Thanks for watching.